question 8, and let's see what it says. So here's our question 8. Let's go through it real quick, okay? Let's see what it says. It says, find an example of a set such that the cardinality of the set is equal to 3. And then, so in other words, this set should have 3 things inside it, okay? Simple stuff. That's what it means. And then B should be an element of that set. Now, I don't want you to let me down, okay? We all know that this understanding of sets is resting on you being good at the difference between element and subset, being good at understanding the difference between these two, right? If we say something is an element, it means it is inside. Exactly as it is inside the set, right? Then when we say it is a subset, it means the things inside it are inside the set. Not itself, but the things inside it are inside the set. But if we say it's an element, it means it is inside. As it is inside. So if we say that, for example, if we say the set A is a subset of B, it means the things inside A, okay, they should be the set A, and the things inside that set called set A will all be inside the set B. But if we say A is an element of B, it means A itself is in B. If we have another set, and let's say we say the set with 1, 2 like this is a subset of B, what does this mean? Remember, subset means the things inside are in the other set. So here it would be saying the things inside, which are 1 and 2. So it means 1 and 2 are inside B. 1 and 2 are inside because that is what subset means. The things inside will be inside this other one. But when we say element, if I do this and I say 1, 2 is an element of B, means if you go inside the set code B, you must actually see a set with 1, 2. Like, you see, the whole thing as it is will be inside. So the whole thing as it is will be inside. That's what the element means. It means it is inside as it is. Do not let me down on that. So now let's now answer this question. Let's see. So now we are doing question 8, and it is saying, find an example of a set such that A, for an example of set A, such that its size, its cardinality is 3. For cardinality, we don't start with that, okay? Size is 3. And then B is inside it. That's what element means. It means B is inside it. And then B is a subset of A. Means everything inside B is also inside A. So B itself should be inside. And then everything in B should be inside A. So anyway, let's make these things, okay? Let's say if I have a set B, and this set B will have these numbers 1 and 2. So that means now, if I now say that I want set A, and set A should be having a modulus of 3, and then inside it should be, number 1, B should be a subset, which means the things inside B should be inside that set, right? That's one. And then the other thing says B should be an element. So that means if I go inside A, I should meet B as well. Okay? I should meet B. So now let's put that. So I'm going to say for B to be a subset, it means everything inside B should be inside A. So inside A, we should have 1 and 2, right? These ones should be inside. So now we already have 2 elements inside A. Then we now need the third element, and the third element inside A would be the element of B. And I could put what B is, because B is exactly this set with 1, 2. So that means there should be also 1, 2 inside. And this is what happens. So this could be set A. It has the element 1, the element 2, and then it has the element with 1 and 2. Can you understand that? Right. So this and this is B. Remember, this is B. So we can say B is an element because B, exactly as he is with his braces, we will find it inside A. And then the things inside B are also inside A. And the element, the set A has 3 things, okay? Which is 1, 2, and then this set which is 1 and 2. So now this